Excuse me, is this the bus stop for number 12?
Yes, it is. The bus usually comes every 10 minutes.
That's good to know. I don't want to be late for work.
I understand. Where do you work?
I work at a small office near the park. And you?
I work at a hospital. I start early today.
That sounds like an important job.
It is, but I like helping people.
Do you always take the bus?
Yes, I don't have a car. It's easier this way.
Same for me. Traffic is too busy.
Oh, look, I think the bus is coming.
Yes, I see it.
Nice talking to you.
You too. Have a good day.
You too.
I'm really tired today.
Long day at work?
Yes, very long. I had many meetings.
That sounds stressful.
It was. But this cafe helps me relax.
I agree. The place is quiet and cozy.
What do you usually order here?
I like their cake and coffee.
I think I'll try the cake too.
Good choice. You deserve something nice.
Thank you. That's kind of you.
Do you have plans for the evening?
Not really. Just rest at home.
That sounds perfect.
Yes. Sometimes simple plans are the best.
This bookstore is really nice.
Yes, I love coming here. It's very quiet.
What kind of books do you like?
I like novels and travel books. And you?
I like history and simple English books.
That's good for learning.
Yes, I read a little every day.
Do you read at home or outside?
Mostly at home in the evening.
Same here. Reading helps me relax.
I agree. It's a good habit.
Did you find the book you want?
Almost. I think I will take this one.
Nice choice.
Thanks. I'm glad we talked.
Me too. Enjoy your reading.
Hi. Is this machine free?
Yes, it is. You can use it.
Thank you. I'm new here, so I'm a bit confused.
No problem. It was my first time once too.
How often do you come to the gym?
About 3 times a week. It helps me feel better.
I want to be more active, but it's not easy.
I understand. The first weeks are the hardest.
Do you follow a training plan?
Yes, a simple one. Nothing too difficult.
That sounds good. I don't like hard workouts.
You don't need hard ones. Just be regular.
Do you also eat healthy food?
I try to. More vegetables, less sugar.
Same here. I'm trying to drink more water.
That's a good start.
How long do you usually train?
About 1 hour. Then I feel tired but happy.
I hope I feel like that too.
You will. Just give it some time.
Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome. Good luck with your training.
Thanks. Maybe see you here again.
Definitely.
Good evening. Welcome to our hotel.
Good evening. I have a reservation.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. One moment, please.
No problem.
You have a room for 2 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Breakfast is included. It starts at 7.
That's great. Where is the restaurant?
It's on the first floor, next to the lobby.
Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, the password is on your key card.
Perfect. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 in the morning.
Okay, can I ask one more question?
Of course.
Is there a bus stop near the hotel?
Yes, just across the street.
That's very helpful, thank you.
You're welcome. Here is your key. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much. I'm sure I will.
This park is very nice today.
Yes, I like coming here on weekends.
Do you come here often?
Almost every Sunday. It helps me relax.
I usually stay at home, but today I wanted fresh air.
That's a good choice. The weather is perfect.
Do you like walking or just sitting?
Both. walking first, then sitting on a bench.
That sounds like a good plan.
Do you work during the week?
Yes, I work in an office. It's very busy.
I understand. My job is also stressful.
What do you do to relax?
I walk, read books, and listen to music.
I like music too. It helps me forget work.
Do you like quiet music or something active?
Quiet music, especially in the evening.
Same here. Silence is also nice sometimes.
Yes, it is. I'm glad we came here today.
Me too. It's a good way to end the week.
Let's sit near the lake for a bit.
Great idea. I like that place.
Hello, how would you like your haircut today?
Hello. I'd like something simple, not too short.
Sure. Do you want the sides shorter?
Yes, but not very short.
No problem. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I just moved to this area.
Welcome. Do you like living here so far?
Yes, I do. It's quiet and comfortable.
That's good to hear. What do you do for work?
I work in an office, mostly on a computer.
Then a simple haircut is a good choice.
That's what I thought.
Do you usually style your hair in the morning?
Not much. I don't have a lot of time.
I understand. I'll make it easy to manage.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Do you like music or silence while I work?
Music is fine. Something calm.
Perfect. Let me know if you want any changes.
I will. Thanks.
Almost done. How does it look?
It looks great. I like it a lot.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'll definitely come back.
You're always welcome.
Good afternoon. How are you feeling now?
A little better, thank you.
That's good. Did you sleep well last night?
Not very well. The bed is not very comfortable.
I understand. I'll bring you an extra pillow.
Thank you. That would help.
Do you feel any pain right now?
Just a little in my back.
I'll tell the doctor about it.
Okay. When can I go home?
Maybe tomorrow if you feel better.
I hope so. I miss my home.
That's normal. Try to rest today.
I will. Can I drink some water?
Yes, but only small amounts.
All right.
I'll check on you again later.
Thank you for taking care of me.
You're welcome. That's my job.
You're very kind.
Get some rest now.
I will.
That jacket looks good on you.
Thank you. It feels comfortable.
Do you want to try a different size?
Maybe one size bigger.
Sure. I'll bring it for you.
Thanks. I don't buy clothes very often.
That's okay. What do you need it for?
For work and for cold weather.
Then this one is a good choice.
Is it easy to clean?
Yes, you can wash it at home.
That's important for me.
Do you like this color?
Yes, it matches my shoes.
Great. Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I think I will.
You can pay at the counter.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new jacket.
I will.
Do we have enough fuel for the trip?
Almost, but I want to fill the tank.
Good idea. I don't want to stop again.
Me neither. The road is long,
How much time do we still have to drive?
about 2 hours.
That's fine. I can listen to music.
Or we can talk more.
I like both.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. It's cold outside.
I'll get one after I finish here.
Thank you.
Are you tired?
A little, but I'm okay.
We can stop later if you want.
That would be nice.
Okay, let's continue soon.
I'm ready.
Let's go then.